Terry Lamb from Northern Virginia. My thoughts on the week. I never do events. 19 years internet marketing, and this is actually my second event. The first event was in San Diego with Mobe, and then I went platinum, obviously, so I could be here in Fiji. But the thoughts on it is it's literally something you can't even put to words. I've had breakfast with Matt Lloyd, you know, the millionaire whiz kid. I've met all of the speakers. We've exchanged phone numbers. You know, the connections that we're making is so much more than you would ever get sending an email to somebody. So it's really important to be able to connect with someone, and events with the name Platinum in them are where you should be. You know, having spoke at the last event, a lot of people got to see it. So it was interesting. I found a lot of the speakers mentioning my name, and that really doing that has opened up some connections that I never would have had just by showing up at an event. And that kind of connection, I think, is the most important thing you can have. When someone's actually mentioning your name, you can sit down with them, have breakfast, dinner with them. Of course, you know, all the best business is done at the bar later while everyone's having a drink. But I think that's the best way to look at it. Networking, you know, that's really what the entire thing was about. And like I said, all of the speakers' phone numbers are now in my pocket. So that's an increasingly important concept, as opposed to, like I said, sending emails to each other. You don't have that connection. So I have everybody's phone number, and the kind of things that we're going to be able to accomplish from that alone, I think is more than worth the trip to Fiji. If you don't leave the house and go all in on platinum, I think you're severely holding your business success back.